गर्मी के मौसम में टैनिंग और ब्रेकआउट तो होती ही होती है, इसलिए सही मेकअप प्रोडक्ट चूज करना और भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. Hi guys, welcome to India.com, and if you're someone who applies makeup, then the sweat can completely melt your makeup. And not only that, thanks to the harmful UV rays, the sweat, the harmful UV rays and the dust combined can penetrate deep into your skin and cause further damage, which could be breakout, tanning, and of course, it's the last thing you would want. But luckily, with some tweaks in the formulation of your makeup, you can avoid this and make your makeup look good and of course, protect your skin against any damage. So in this video, I'll be telling you some summer hacks to keep your makeup in place this season. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Now the first one is use a lightweight formula. तो चाहे मैं आपके मेकअप की बात करूं या मेकअप के बेस की बात करूं, make sure all the products that you're using in summer should be very very lightweight. They should have a nice runny consistency and should not be too thick on your skin. So whether it's your primer, your sunscreen, your moisturizer, everything should be quite lightweight. The other thing that you can actually do is that you can trade your foundation with a CC cream or a BB cream because it provides a nice sheer coverage and it is also very summer friendly. Now the next point is use a multi-purpose product. Instead of layering too many products which ultimately makes a thick layer, make sure that you use a product that has a multi-purpose. Now अगर आप लाइट वेट फॉर्मूला भी यूज कर रहे हो लेकिन आप बहुत सारे डिफरेंट लाइट वेट फॉर्मूलाज यूज कर रहे हो, बहुत सारी लेयरिंग कर रहे हो लाइट वेट फॉर्मूला की, तो अल्टीमेटली थिक लेयर ही बनती है. चाहे आप सिरम भी लगा रहे हो, मॉइस्चराइजर भी लगा रहे हो, सनस्क्रीन भी लगा रहे हो, फिर उसके बाद आप फाउंडेशन लगाओगे तो अल्टीमेटली लेयरिंग तो बहुत सारी हो जाएगी. तो ये हमें बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए समर्स में. इंस्टेड व्हाट यू शुड बी डूइंग इज कि आप एक ऐसा प्रोडक्ट लो जो कि बाकी चीज़ों का भी काम करे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आजकल मार्केट में ऐसे बहुत सारे फाउंडेशंस हैं जिसमें SPF इंड्यूस्ड होता है, तो आपको अलग से सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. या फिर आप एक सनस्क्रीन ऐसी लो जिसमें एक श्योर कवरेज हो. देयर आर मेनी tinted sunscreens in the market, so you can use a sunscreen which is a little tinted, so it can provide you a little bit of coverage and also it can protect your skin against any damage and also does the job of a moisturizer, so you don't have to apply it separately. Now the next point is choose waterproof formulas. Of course this is a very cliched point, लेकिन ये एक ऐसा स्टेप है जो सबसे ज़्यादा लोग मिस करते हैं. They don't really check the labels if the formulation is waterproof or not. But this is something very important. Of course, you don't want your makeup to melt due to the heat and the sweat. So make sure that you choose waterproof formula so it stays in place even when you're outdoor. Now the next point is consider the finish. To ensure that your makeup doesn't look dry and matte in summer, use formulas जो कि dewy है, जिनकी finish बहुत natural है and luminous है, and it doesn't make your skin look dry in this already dull weather. Now the last point is always lock in your makeup. Now of course summers में sweat की वजह से आपका makeup बहुत जल्दी हट सकता है या फिर smudge हो सकता है. So make sure that you always lock in your makeup either through a loose powder or a setting spray so it doesn't get smudged and also increase the durability of your makeup. So that was about it in this video. I hope it helped. If it did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.